What's going on, sneaker family? You got your boy Quana Don coming at y'all with a sneaker reaction, man. So I actually got some excitement here. Got my baby girl right here, and we actually gonna do a little video. So I always get packages coming to the house. I always get things coming to the house. So instead of just going to the store and getting her something, I thought I'd get her something online so she can have a package of her own come in. So I'm gonna let her do her little thing and surprise her with these themed sneakers and see how she like them on first sight. Alright?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Can you open it? Okay. Go ahead, open it. It's gonna be a little hard. Daddy gonna help you, okay? Cause we gotta rip through it, you know what I mean? We gotta rip through this.
Mommy, try.
You wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Look. Hold on. Daddy gotta give it a little bit. Uh-oh, what's that? What's that in there?
You.
Go ahead, that's for Abby. Wait, you gotta take it out. Who that?
Peppa.
That's Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
So, I got her some themed sneakers. Hopefully she like them. You know how kids go crazy about this stuff like this, man.
And Peppa. Yeah.
So they go crazy about stuff like this. So she can't even really fit these yet. I got them in a large size, higher than what she usually wear, because she runs through shoes like crazy. She runs through them every couple months. I gotta probably purchase her a pair of shoes. So it's yeah. So it's just like that. All right. So you wanna open it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Open it. Okay. So that's Daddy receipt stuff. So put that to the side. What's that?
I do.
You like it?
Yeah.
You dropped it. Who that?
Diaper and Pepper.
Okay, so I got baby girl some themed shoes. So, you know, kids love this stuff. And you know, you gotta let a kid be a kid. So it's actually some shoes that she was looking at when we was out, and she was like taking pictures of them. So I thought I'd go ahead and buy them online and surprise her with them. Like I say, big size. She can't even fit them yet, but she'll grow into them. And she just want to be like Daddy with the sneakers and stuff, man. So yeah, you see them. So tell them how you like it.
How you like it?
You like it? You like it?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, so they're nice little sneakers, man. You know, nice little sneakers for kids. You know, not something that the older crowd will do, but kids love this colorful stuff, man. These themed sneakers, so definitely grab these for baby girl, man. She love her Peppa Pig, you know. She love all her cartoons, really, and her little storybook things. But nice little, you know, what is these gum bottoms on the bottom? Ooh, got the fur on the inside. You know what I'm saying? Got the fur on the inside. Look at that. It feels nice.
Yeah.
It's nice. Yeah.
It's not too good.
Okay. All right. Go ahead. Go show your mommy. Go show mommy what Daddy got you. Go ahead. Here, take your box.
Okay.
But anyway, just wanted to do something nice for baby girl. She always wanted to be on camera too. So definitely glad I was able to do that for her. But anyway, man, y'all hit them comments, man. Y'all hit them likes, subscribe to the channel, man. Your boy is out. As I say and as I always say, man, it don't cost a thing to show love. You feel me? It's more of an expense to hate. I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my soul, quick gang. And we up out of here.